Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Some days ago, I upload video to this my YouTube where Pastor Sonny Osahon do take talk say he give Curtis Ugbo 500,000 naira make he take help am solve case. Today, Curtis Ugbo don come out can't deny say he no collect any 500,000 naira from Sonny Osahon. Make I leave you now, make you hear from Curtis Ugbo.
Yes, gentlemen of the press, good morning. You are welcome to the press briefing. State of the Benin Kingdom. Message from the Benin Solidarity Movement, BSM Worldwide. The attention of the Benin Solidarity Movement, BSM Worldwide, has been drawn to the obnoxious nefarious activities by one Pastor Sonny Osahon, who is a fake Okaele installed by the outcasted former Ojonwere Omada, Roland Ehoy Ogbebo, against the will and the wishes of the elders and people in the community of Igosho-Dinebudi. We are worried by what seems to be an unending crisis that has pervaded Igosho-Dinebudi, a community situated in Ovia Northeast local government area of Edo State. Our dispute investigation of the matter has shown us that fueling this crisis is the issue of lies and forgery being paddled by a party in the crisis to the effect that the palace approved the installation of one Pa Festus Eno Nwanyake Osunde as the rightful and legitimate person to be the Ojonwere, and Pastor Osahon Sonny as the Okaele of the community. This false claim was backed up with a purported letter of approval from the Benin Palace, which after discreet investigation had been discovered to be a forgery. To put a stop to this illegality, the Benin Traditional Council, BTC, has since refuted the said letter of approval purportedly signed by the late secretary of the Oba Palace of the Benin Traditional Council, Oronsaye Gobadia. The letter of refutal by the Oba Palace BTC is partly stated thus: the Benin Traditional Council cannot therefore authenticate the genuineness of the said letter. Our preliminary investigation of the matter has shown that the major issue that had led to the unending crisis is the issue of lies and forgery being paddled by Pastor Sonny Osahon and his co-travelers in the crisis, rocking the community, to the extent that a document was said to be forged as an approval from the Oba Palace, stating the installation of one Pa Festus Osunde as the rightful and legitimate Ojonwere, while Pastor Sonny Osahon as the Okaele of the community. I want to state categorically clear here that the Oba of Benin Palace, the Benin Traditional Council, do not install an Okaele as being claimed by Sonny Osahon. This false claim was backed up with a purported letter from the Benin Traditional Council. To put a stop to this illegality, the letter, we also want to use this opportunity to appeal to our Reverend Royal Father, Omonobanedo Ukwu Akolokolo Obaiwai II, the Ogidiga of the universe, to urgently intervene as many of the community faithfuls who have been forcefully sent out of their homes, farmland, by the said Sonny Osahon and his co-ops, because they believe they are stronger than the weak elders in the Igosho-Dinebudi community. We also call on all the parties concerned to allow peace to reign in our dear kingdom, as the era of land grabbing and speculation is over. Ọba Atokpe, Ọmọnọba Atokpe. Yes.
that person.
But I want to clear the air about that, about the allegation. Some few days ago, I saw on social media, he said Pastor Sonny Osahon claiming that he gave me, Curtis Ewusa-Ugbo, the sum of 500,000 naira to enable him arrest some suspects. I want to tell the world that it is true that I know Pastor Osahon. My family house is at off TV Road, Alaudao Street to be precise, and his own father house is behind our family, my family house. You can go to that area and find out the family background of my family background and his family background, and you will see that he is from a very dubious background. So I'm not surprised when I saw him parading fake documents, then calling himself a pastor. I want to challenge Osahon Sonny to bring that letter to the palace of the Oba of Benin. Why is he always running to social media? These are the elders of Igbo Shodinebudi.
Yes.
This is the Atin of your way. These are the secretary. These are the elders. Let him bring that letter that is parading to the Oba Palace for verification. Let's see if let's know who is lying. You cannot lie that you gave me 500,000 for what? I'm not a hungry man. He knows it. He knows my family background. You know, go to his family house now. There's no soul living in that compound because of their dubious and evil ways.
That is true.
So I'm a clean man. My name have been built over time. I've struggled to build a good name. Even if you are my father, you cannot bribe me. When I know you are wrong, I will never support you. He actually came to me begging me to assist him, you know, to fight against these elders, the genuine elders of that community. And I refused because my conscience, I have a conscience. My conscience, you know, will judge me if I walk against my people, against the truth, against truth. So that was why I rejected him. I told him I'm going to fight against him. And that is where we are. So for him coming up with those various stories that he gave me 500,000, we are going to take legal action on that. You know, I'm the president of the New Solidarity Movement. It's a pressure group that have come to stay and have come to assist the growth and development of Benin Kingdom and Edo State in general. So we will not compromise our belief for truth. I don't blame him because he is getting some commercial activists that he is paying. People like the Kola Adokpayi, Emmanuel Agbogun, and others. And those others are using blog to promote his illegality, like Naija Watch and which other one, Eddie Murphy. You know, the jobless young man in Germany. You know, I'm not your mate. I'm telling you people now, I'm not your mate in anything, in all ramification. I'm not your mate at all. I've been doing business since 1994. I'm a petroleum marketer. I've been doing business since 1994. I'm a self-made man. So you cannot bribe me. You cannot. I'm not like people that will take 50,000 naira and spoil your conscience, or take 500,000 naira and spoil your conscience. 500,000 money is nothing to me. So I want to clear the air today that we are taking legal action, and that is it. Thank you and God bless. So you can interview all these the elders. Let them tell you what they have gone through in the hands of Osahon in the last 9 months. You know, let it be on air. In the past 9 months, these people going to 10 months, these people have suffered. He drove them away from their community. This is the supposed acting of John Way. Baba Yedogwa, Tamia Renue mi obe Osahon. Baba Osahon.
Baba Atokwe. Ènìyàn ti yá yìí máa bí màá nà.
Ìlúwẹ̀ ọtí ìlúwẹ̀.
Ènìyàn òwú gbé ọmọràgùn. Azukpo giva, acting of Igbo Sodi, Nebudi. Ìyá yìí wẹ̀ ọ̀rẹ́ ẹ̀rẹ̀nẹ̀ ni me na at Okogi Vana. Precious Osunde. Or who on the 21/6/2020. As an audio way, I'm the second command. Who ni another me in another where I can't watch several already. The other people. You're not even. You're watching what story I mean. Now, Mammy, one and all Baruga, I'll take about 3 years. And I took a year. I got it. The year you work at the Mayadi or John because you didn't. I think April, a date of Pamari, April 1949. A year or John Webber. You might quit one there. Oh, you know, soon I might quit a year, my own man. It that my own, you know, soon. Again, may I do your will. Near your John. So, I know me where Era me Sunday or we late in on the 2020, June. Okay, okay, no way. Amuye yini. Bama mweyo. Yo to bo force gbe ilaro. Ili se bo ladin awe gẹ́gẹ́ ayájú committee to ni mena river. Awe yen kan aro kagele na gba wa ikwe amweyo mo re aro ma na okin ori abu no. So I not do it for the other 3 days. Usually ha. Ego na ido egbere. Ni awebe na oje na. Ina mewi me ku igba ha. We ni wa ina re na nia. Ina we the action aro ma na okin. Be ni ye wa be ri abo. So ina we wana ina ika mebo ina we wa ga ye me re bo kiki. Benana men ina wo ma benana wa e bana nia ihone ni dan wa for 3 months bukiha na we adam wa e bana bukiha the other one are be e ko to me ma mo bore ni e bo ge du ana wa e we o ma e se ujola no gba de gba na mo caterpillar na wa mu la wa ona buko wa le ona akin enu to ọ̀rẹ́ òtẹ́bù ọ̀rẹ́bù òtọ́bá ọ̀nà wà ákìn ní ìyá kìí bẹ́ òtẹ́bù ìyá káàkiri ẹ̀nẹ́ ọlọ́wà ákìn ní ìyá òtọ́ ayé mẹ́rin àrí náwẹ́ not to make account ọ̀wẹ́ ni yóò bọ́ gùnú ilé ìtúrò bí ẹ̀mẹ́ náà ẹ̀rà èkédọ́ yá dìẹ̀mẹ́ ọwẹ́ ẹ̀gọ́gọ́ ṣùdẹ̀ ọ̀wẹ́ àmẹ́ka àkàtì mẹ́nàdọ́ àkàbíyàn ẹ̀yìn mẹ́nàwẹ̀ ká mú wẹ́wẹ́ mẹ́rin àzúwọ̀ kárí ìmá ètò táyẹ ọmọ ògbìọ̀kó náà tó táyẹ bọ̀ bójọ́ ọmọ àtó táyẹ ọ̀nà ọ̀nà àká ọ̀dún ọ̀wẹ́ áptì mẹ́ ọ̀lùpòkè bá mẹ́yẹ kínà ọwẹ́ rẹ̀ àgbọn ẹ̀mẹ́ni mẹ́tàwẹ̀ wẹ́pẹ́ yóò wẹ̀ ìṣọ́ọ̀tì mẹ́nà yìí wà ona wa flo boy ko na wa se ne no sisi kura give iguneka hu wa ko ge mani ke ina we ra me ina o ma re ge wa ma mi amani ama le me ke yin ge o ya me bole ni na ade yi wo ogodo o ye ko wa o de school primary school ẹ̀yìn ìbùnà ẹ̀ka láti fìbú ọ̀nà àwọn àwẹ̀ ọmọ ayédè gbẹ́jọ ikú ìfóònìá ẹ̀yìn mà ní kẹ́ náà lẹ́ adé ẹ̀dọ́ ẹ̀yìn yé ọdún kì í yín adé o ẹ̀wé ní dọ́tà mú wa mẹ́rin láìwọ̀ ẹ̀bùn máa ní ọba àtọ́pọ̀ ẹ̀
Who's the next?
Listen,
Wa dɔn mɔni ŋɔɛ ɔba atɔkpɛ mɔɛ osatɔ hame igbene wɛka bɔ marire azukpogea marire meeting ayire sɔnire ɔwɛ mana tiɛ mari tiɛ we nɔdogbe ma gbɔn abe n'oye kiasɛ ɔna wɔdiɔn we n'ɔka arɔ àkáǹtì náà ama ìwé àkáǹtì wa àkáǹtì náà ẹ mà náà wọ́n mà ẹ mà náà di ẹ̀gbọ́ ẹ̀ sísọ wú yẹn rí ìyẹn yí ẹ̀mẹ̀ ní màtá ẹ mà náà di ẹ̀gbọ́ ẹ̀ mà náà dòbí Roland àyè sèkèrè Roland yé Roland kọ́ ẹ̀ ọ̀hún yẹn á tiẹ̀ tì má tiẹ̀ ọ̀ ẹ̀ wá rú ẹ̀ uzola no gbe no lele ona gele timati e sonde na wa vie ona wa vie kigbe akiku ge mobo ko mo wona wa sile ya degwa na ewiebo kuobo kigbo uzon e Roland wa bere we ne card ni ya we ne bo busela e Roland na wa la moto ona wa pa oyo ike call ire we ige edobe you know the dad of the ogbe oye was said there the other day my one what about 4 days ago announcement or what igwe a Sunday oye was igwe a chief ha by a man have a person of yokian e yana wa vie osisi yana so abu pe wo oba mu ye yokare lekema wa se iye kofia anaway bebe na ibe kun mi na anawo ma e ma na were gbe are egwa since then Roland na iwa de bai Roland de ko ma se ba yin fi ma yo fi mare omuigo omuigo na muniru ona ki ona akimu ma o tokin ona muigo 700,000 ona mugiro 7 million ona mugiro land ona dimoto ona debae mara itie iye gi do aye police mu ni ma ona we ke ma we ari Abuja na do we police mu ma bowa so e mana ituladian ala o no mo no babu mare no ha ma no o boy ma kunre no la baba e mare ba the mami na ari we man mami na atota la baba ba talk be
let me clear this.
Please.
Ọba àtọ́pẹ́ my name Caesar Uwaifo from Ozukpogene from Igbosodi Lebude. At the time, really, we didn't put this Pastor Osahon Igbonosu for Okarele at all. And besides, if we didn't put him for Okarele, the elders who did not allow him to be Okarele they will not have peace in the community. So at the time we were in the meeting, he brought 4 boys with cap and gun. They started shooting. They shoot and drove the whole elders away from the community since 9 months. We are in exile ever since 9 months. We didn't go to our community. We can, 2 times, we try to get to the community. He used gun to chase us out. We were even in presence of chief, in presence of police from area command, the Kiadolo. They used gun to chase everybody out. And where the elders had a meeting, they went there and padlocked it, which is Ogwejo. Up to now, that Ogwejo is padlocked. Now, in fact, Osahon is parading himself as Okarele up to tomorrow. He said Roland Ekoy is the person who appointed for Okarele, of which we really find out, and we see that it's Roland Ekoy appointed him as Okarele of Igbocho Dinabudi. And not only that, he brought fake letter from the palace telling the whole world that Omonoba appoint Erejawa appoint them as a senior in the community. This is the letter. He always parade that letter. And when we find out, we see that that letter is fake. It's the past Omada, Roland Ekoy, draft that letter for him to enable him sell all our land from the community. Oba talk by it.
Secretary.
That is the former Oyo.
Yes, I am evangelist. I am evangelist Olu Omori Emmanuel Sunde. I am the eldest son of the late immediate past Ojonwe Chief Festus. When I came to Benin here, my father was still alive. I discovered that he didn't use Okagili until he died. He was a high chief, he was a chief in the palace. He entered the Weibo Society in 1979, during the time of Oba Iribiawo. So, recently, I discovered that one pastor, Osahon Igbinosu, a native of the same Igbocho Dinebudi, went to YouTube, a blog, to desecrate the palace by bringing out a forged letter, saying that letter, if you read that letter, that letter was a letter that emanated from the palace, appointing the second in command, the third in command, and the fourth in command. So we looked at that letter, personally I looked at that letter, and it said that letter has been in existence since 13th June 2012, when my own father was even in US at that time. And at that time, 2012, he talked about that letter came out. My father had not become Ojonwe because he became Ojonwe in 2015. 2015. So looking at that letter, even the sentence construction shows that letter was not from the palace. It was badly written. And then secondly, we discovered that traditionally the Oba of Benin does not appoint second, third, and fourth in command for a community. So what I did was to ensure that the elders use their lawyer to write to the palace to authenticate the genuineness of that letter. In response to that, the palace wrote that letter was forged. And that is the letter he used in disrupting the existing structure, administrative structure in Igbocho Dinebudi. He disrupted the existing structure in Igosodi Nepudi. And then since then, there has never been peace in that place. It has always been problem upon problem, crisis, mayhem. Then the last thing he did, because he has various cases in different police formations in Edo State. So because he has harassed the elders with guns and matches and whatever, then he ran to Abuja, to IG in Abuja with a false petition. And then they now in turn came here and packed his own case files from the police station here. The case files are in Abuja, and we have also written petition to IG. I'm using this medium to implore the IG to use his good office to bring back all those cases, all those Osaon cases, the files, to bring them back to Edo State here, because they've all been detailed for prosecution. They've been detailed for prosecution. Because we went to AIG, we went to state, we went to the commissioner of police, and they said the files have been moved to Abuja. Because of the regimented nature of police, they could not do anything. But we are imploring, I am imploring on behalf of the elders now, the elders of Igosodi Nepudi who are peace loving, for IG to use his position now to bring all these cases back to Edo State, so that this dangerous dissident can be prosecuted. Ọba Atọ́pẹ́.
Now we don't hear from Curtis Ugbo and the elders of Igosodi. Let us know what you think for this matter. Go to comment section, make you put your own. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for the hear all the things where they happen for Edo State. Make I leave you now with this video, make you help us share them. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.